Hi everybody, hope you're doing well. Today at KD Cuts, we're going to open up and build the Indiana tool belt kit. It's a newer kit from Tandy, a couple of years old I think. It's got the red letter 3 on it. We've already put together a 1 and a 2. The 2 was the Phoenix tote we just finished doing that we accoutrate a little bit. So now we're going to do a level 3, this Indiana tool belt. So again, kudos to Tandy. Good set of instructions here. And then all of the necessary patterns you need if you want to make these without having to buy the kit again. So there you have that. I'm definitely going to copy these before to make patterns with them if I want to make this guy again. All the parts are in the kit. They give you 2 different options for making 2 different sizes of sheaths for either a Leatherman or a smaller knife. And then what I'm going to show you is how I outfit this for a fly fisherman. If you know any fly fishermen and you get them this for a gift, they are absolutely going to love it. So let's get on it. I've dyed all the elements of the Indiana kit with medium brown EcoFlow, and I've also hacked it, guys. We are going to get 2 tool belts out of this kit. Tandy gives you more than enough material. I'll have to duplicate this part, the adjustable piece to hold the flashlight or whatever you're going to put in there, and I'll have to duplicate this part plus get another carabiner or quick release and the Chicago screws. Now when I do this, I'm going to do the large sheath for a Leatherman. On the second tool belt, I'm going to modify the small sheath so it'll hold a pair of side cutters for a client who wants me to do that. And then I simply took some 2-3 ounce, and it's going to provide the necessary backing piece that I need. So how about that? 2 for the price of 1. All right, so we have finished one of our Indiana tool belts. Now notice I've sized this strap for a mini mag. I've got my Leatherman tool in there. This is going to be for me for personal use. And I've got some glove grabbers right here. I'm going to be using this soon. I've got a need for this. So, but let's take a look at our fly fishing rig. Check that out, guys. Any fly fisherman is going to have these things and needs a place to put them. These are other things fly fishermen use. Don't ask me anything about fly fishing. Know nothing about it. But I did do something similar to this for a friend years ago when he went fly fishing out west. And just the fact that he had his Swiss Army knife and his forceps or hemostats on his belt, he said he could have sold 10 of these if he had them. So this is a great idea for a fly fisherman. I talked earlier about modifying this to hold a set of side cutters. There goes Prince. I haven't done that yet, so I'm probably going to leave this one the way it is, and when I get to my client and show him a picture of this, I'm going to ask him how he wants to modify it for holding some side cutters. Guys, that's it. That is the Indiana tool kit hacked. We got 2 for 1. I think it came out great. I think you ought to give it a try. Again, Tandy, kudos to Tandy, and Prince is acknowledging that in the background. If you found this interesting, please hit the like button down below. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for other interesting topics in leatherwork. Thanks. See you soon.